Going to cut some slabs off now off the wood for this project, and it's going to be a bird feeder. Okay, well, it's 4 slabs. Like that. I got some there bigger than that one too. So, and them slabs like that there, now they come from a mill. This one's a mill there, so it's a chainsaw mill. So I got a nice bit of that stuff there. So anyway, yeah, I'll take that now. Good. Okay, so we got 4 slabs. Actually, it's 1 long slab cut up into pieces. Okay, I'm going to find the center of this slab now, because we need the center of it just to get things square. So it's about 7, it's about 8 inches wide, so we'll go 4 there. And same thing up here, 4. Line up through. Just the center, and then we need to square off the bottom. Use that line, and we can just square it off. Use that line we just made. Yes, we saw off that one. Now we need a pitch, and you can use any old thing for a pitch. You know, as long as it's, well, you got a. That's going to be the pitch of the roof. That one there is good for another one. No good for this one, but it's good for another one. Okay, out, so we saw that off. That's one side, right there, or end, one end. So take that one, and we'll mark out the other side for this one. Very simple. Doesn't have to be right exact. Anyway, bottom and the top. I'll give you 2 pieces identical. This roof is hardly right, so I saw that one now. Okay, well, we got two pieces, the same. Okay, our next job now is the floor. Okay, we'll saw out a piece of that. A little bit piece about 8 inches, 9 inches. Okay, size is the stock. Now what I'm going to use for walls to keep the bird seed into the feeder is 1/8 thickness. No, it's 1/8. No, it's 1/16. Yeah, 1/16. Lexan from a dash 7 or 8. Anyway, and you'll see what the difference is. Tinted. So I'm going to be using that for the wall. So anyway, and this is 11 inches wide and 14 inches long. So I'll use one piece, I guess, for a wall. So anyway, it's 11 inches wide. So I can get two walls out of one piece. So that's a 1/2 inch 10. Oh yeah, there's a bit of round on it. So alright, 9.5 inches. Make her 9.5 inches. That'll give me two out of one piece. Here's the pieces. That's the right side. This is the bottom. That's the bottom there, on the right side. On the left side. And a little bit of work to do on it yet. And the roof. So this is what it's going to look like. And this is going to be the walls that is going to hold the food in. So I got a line down each side in the middle, as I did in the first phase of this project. So you just come up to right there. That's the height of this piece of wood on both sides. The same measurement. And let's see what I got there now. There's the mark where I just put on it. That's the height of that piece of the floor. So we just need, it doesn't have to be exact either, so you just need an angle for this stuff to go in, this piece of Lexan. So, okay, something like that there, I guess. So this is the bottom of the floor right here. Comes up around like this. Floor does, and I'll have that screwed in, and this is going to fit into a notch right down along there. So we just mark that out as a notch, and it's supposed to be a little bit better than 1/16, and there's also supposed to be one back here. Now this is going to be where all the food is going to be located, so everything will just come out, and I'm going to put some little small holes into the Lexan. Anyway, so we need a notch here and a notch here. You can come right on down with the notch. And I'm going to have a router, which I got a router there, and I got that radial arm saw right there. I'll do it too. Probably got to do it with the radial arm saw, I guess. But anyway, there's a lot of fooling around. Chainsaw's right there. Okay, out. Actually, I'll do them grooves with the little skill saw. Just pretty good at that, so. Okay. Alright, so this is how it's going to sit.